Understanding and claiming deduction under Section 80GG. Introduction. Hello and welcome, taxpayers. Today, we'll be discussing Section 80GG of the Income Tax Act, which allows individuals to claim a deduction for the rent they pay when they don't receive a house rent allowance, HRA, as part of their salary. Let's dive into the details. Eligibility criteria. To claim a deduction under Section 80GG, you must meet the following eligibility criteria. 1. You are an individual or Hindu undivided family, HUF. 2. You or your family members do not own a residential property at the place where you reside or carry out your business or profession. 3. If you or your spouse or minor child owns a residential property in any other location, you cannot claim this deduction. 4. You should not receive hurrah from your employer. Calculation of deduction. The deduction under Section 80GG is calculated as the least of the following three amounts. 1. Actual rent paid minus 10% of total income. 2. 25% of total income. 3. $5,000 per month. Documentation and proof. To claim this deduction, you need to provide the following documents and proofs. 1. Rent receipts. Maintain rent receipts for the rent paid to the landlord. These should contain details like the landlord's name, address, rent amount, and the period for which the rent is paid. 2. Rent agreement. Having a registered rent agreement is beneficial for proving the landlord-tenant relationship and the terms of rent. 3. Declaration. You may be required to fill out Form 10-BA, a declaration stating that you meet the conditions for claiming the deduction under Section 80GG. 4. PAN of the landlord. It's important to provide the PAN of your landlord if the annual rent exceeds Rs.1 lakh. Filing your tax return. When filing your income tax return, make sure to fill out the relevant sections related to Section 80GG. Provide accurate details about the rent paid and calculate the deduction as per the rules. Conclusion. In conclusion, Section 80GG is a helpful provision for individuals who do not receive HRA but pay rent for their accommodation. By meeting the eligibility criteria and maintaining proper documentation, you can claim a deduction on the rent paid, reducing your taxable income. However, always consult with a tax professional or CA for personalized guidance related to your specific situation.